Under file again, we have save. You have to save and save as. Save, I've shown you before. Save, it will take you to where you want to save your document. The same to save as. The function is the same. Save where you want to save your document. And another difference between save and save as is that if you choose save as, you'll be given here a statement called save as type. So save as type, by default here we have PSD, which is a Photoshop file. So we can choose to save our design here, this green design. You can choose to save it as an image. If you want to save it as an image, we'll scroll down to find the format for image. Format for image, they are JPEG, and we have also PNG. So you can choose the two if you want to save as an image. That's the usage for save and save as. Now you have what you call export. Export is in save as, you're saving a file as an image or as a PNG or something like that. It's the same as if you are exporting. Exporting and save as comes close to each other, but the difference between save as and export is in save as you can save a file as PSD, but in exporting you cannot save a file. You cannot export as a PSD. You can only export as a PNG, as a JPEG, as a PDF, or web, or other format for web. You can export as an Illustrator. All have been indicated here. But to know more about them, it will be okay, or you'll understand further if we start to work on a particular design and you want to export them. We'll go through them for you to understand it. And export, you have generate.